How to delete search history on YouTube app. Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how you can delete search history on YouTube mobile. So in order to fix this, what you need to do is first thing first, make sure that your application is up to date. After that, go ahead and log in into your YouTube application. Once you're logged into your YouTube account, this is how the interface is going to look like. Right on this page, you can see your profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner of your screen. Go ahead and tap on the profile icon. Once you tap on the profile icon, tap on the gear icon from the top right hand side corner. Right on this page, you need to scroll down a bit and go over here. You need to go to manage all history. After that, it's going to direct you to this kind of pop-up. Then you'll need to select the particular account from where you actually want to delete or clear all your search history as well as watch history. Now what you need to do is you'll need to select the ways to delete your search history. You can select auto delete or all of these. Now if you're sure about deleting your search history or either your watch history, tap on delete button. Now you'll need to select it by range. Now whether you want to delete the search history of today or maybe custom range or maybe all time. So just tap on all time, and if you're sure enough, then click on the delete button. Now make sure that once you delete all of your search history, this is gonna delete all of the search history on other device as well where your account is currently logged in. So after that, click on got it, and as you can see that the search history or the watch history has been deleted. In this way you can delete your search history on YouTube mobile. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.